You have to migrate from disobedience. You have to migrate from arrogance. We have to migrate from the lusts of this lower self. You have to sacrifice something in order to get something. We have to change our companies. We have to change our friendships. We have to change our priorities. We have to reschedule of our life. We have to restyle our life. We have to reprioritize our lives order. We are lost. We are lost in this world. And Satan, the devil has become our friend. This worldly lusts have become our friend. The passions of our nafs, the passions of our lower self have become our friend. The dunya, the worldly lusts, the passions of nafs, the lower self, and Satan. All we are in the companies of these three enemies. And there is a very big alliance between these three enemies against human being, against our faith, against our deed, against our conduct, against our behavior, against our purity. The shaitan, the worldly lusts and lower self, passions of lower self, they are together in a form of an alliance. They are attacking from inner self and from outer self. And we are unable to defend ourselves because we have lost the pure companies. We have been deprived. We have deprived ourselves from those companies would enable you to defend your faith, to defend your iman, to defend your amal and deed, to defend your conduct, to defend your behavior, to defend your inner self. Or you on your own, none of us on our own is in a position to defend ourselves, our faith and our inner condition against the alliance, the big attacks of the allied enemies, allied forces, the shaitan, the worldly lusts and the lower self's passions. Big enemies, uduvun mubin, manifest enemies. They are together. They are attacking on us. And we are busy in chats. We are busy in our Instagrams. We are busy in our Facebooks. We are busy in our chatting with our friends. We are busy in losing the strength of our faith. We are busy in losing the strength of our character. We are busy in losing the strength of our connection with Almighty Allah. And we are busy in losing the connection with your own mission, Minhajul Quran, the path of Quran. We don't have time. We are busy in job. We are busy in families. We are busy in early livelihood. We are busy in so many things, but not busy for Allah. The only thing for which we cannot find time in our lives is the friendship with Allah. Is to work for Allah. Is to do something to please Almighty Allah. Is to put our efforts to promote His message.